app by writing text. I touch base on that today using Bolt, but you'll do something even more cooler in this program, in the module 1. By now, we are just done with the first half of day 1. We jump to the second half of day 1, where we get into advanced data analysis using AI and Excel. Again, I believe, and I'm sure all of you guys will agree with me, that knowing your way around data and understanding and churning data is a very important thing. Today, I quickly showed you a few things. In this module, we go deeper into all this data on how you can get absolutely stunning outputs, even you don't know how to write a single line of code, just with text. So you'll come up with all these outputs for module 3 as well. And then we jump into something called as conversational AI bots. There is something called as custom GPTs, where you can build your own AI bots to solve your own problems. That is what we're going to teach you inside of this. And you guys are going to build a bot, which basically is a Q&A bot. You can upload information of your website inside of the bot, and any customer can ask any questions and it can answer. You will build a bot without writing a single line of code. It's absolutely crazy what you can do with this. People absolutely love this part. After this, of course, you have an outcome of building a bot with the team. People love that part as well. And finally, for the end of the day, we end with a bang. What do? We teach you how using AI, you can research, outline, and design a full PPT presentation, all using AI, something that will take you easily maybe 10 to 12 hours. We will teach you how to do this in a few minutes. We'll teach you the workflow on how to make this happen, right? This is just the day 1. And the outcome of that is you come up with a topic on your front, you follow the whole process that we teach you, and you build a crazy little presentation. Now we enter day 2. So day 1, we started, we spent good 7 hours, 8 hours. We learned all these things. We did all these things. You take a nice little break on Saturday, go for your drinks or whatever you want, come back on Sunday again in the morning. And what do? I teach you how you can build automations using AI. Imagine that you can build an automation where AI could automatically reply to your emails. AI could automatically create content for you and post it. How can you repeat your boring tasks? You can create your own automations by connecting multiple tools that you use today using AI, and you don't have to write a single line of code for this. It's all drag and drop, and my team and my mentors will teach you step by step on how to get this done. It's absolutely mind-blowing and so enriching, and it'll empower you to a level where you'll be like, the hell, this is crazy, right? And we will teach you a couple of automations, and you will build those automations as well. For example, this one, which will automatically summarize every email that you get. It will summarize the email, check if it's an important email, and send a message on your Slack or Google Team or Microsoft Teams or Telegram or any messaging tool that you use, so that you don't have to 100 times go and check your emails all the time, right? And then we also teach you how to build and post content on social media, all automated. And then on the second half of the day, once you have learned automations, you jump into something called as diffusion AI models. Today, we learned very basic stuff when it comes to imagery, right? In this case, using this module and compelling stories using AI visuals, we'll teach you the world around how to come up with crazy visuals and crazy videos, all using artificial intelligence, right? It's simple drag and drop workflows that we will teach you, which will just blow your minds. Okay, look at these images. This is me. Obviously, I don't look like this with all these 8 packs. You'll essentially learn how to create crazy images like this of you or anything that you need for your work. And not just that, we will also teach you how to make crazy videos like this. This is all using AI. This is not me. Obviously, I'm not standing on top of Burj Khalifa with Spider-Man costume, right? We will teach you how to be able to create videos like this using AI, and it's absolutely mind-blowing. In fact, my team created a full-blown trailer of a movie that is on Netflix right now. It's called Kalki. आज को मार डालेंगे तो कल होगा ही। All of this is made using AI, and you guys will learn how to do it as well. It's mind-blowing. That's the only word that I can say, right? So let's quickly summarize. everything that you learn in just 2 days and get you ahead almost of anyone that you want right in a couple of days. One, you learn the fundamentals of AI and you do a hands-on project on writing a prompt. You learn the science behind prompt engineering. You learn the science behind diffusion so that you can use the different models to generate images and videos. We'll teach you how to build compelling images and videos. We'll teach you how to do data analysis and build dashboards using AI. We'll teach you how to automate a bunch of things using email workflows and content creation as a couple of examples. We'll teach you how to build AI bots for your own use cases so that you can get AI to do your repetitive tasks. And finally, we'll help you to create, ideate, design, and build a kick-ass presentation in a few minutes. All of this you will learn and also you will do in just 2 days. Now, this may seem intimidating, and if you're not hands-on with AI or anything, no problem. I have few questions for you. You know how to use internet? Do you know how to use a computer? Were you able to understand 50 to 60% of what you heard in this workshop? If the answer is yes, you can get this. And it's not me who's going to be teaching. There'll be folks from Google. There'll be folks from best of the companies out there who will come and teach you. And we have done this for thousands of people already, right? So you don't have to worry. If you can absolutely do this, right? So you might be wondering, why did we take up this approach of a 2-day mastermind? Because we tried creating a recorded course and most of the people never finished it. And we want people to get outcomes. The only way you get outcomes is by doing, right? And when we did recorded courses, we got 15% of the people to finish it, less than 10% of people finished projects. And then we created all of this content into a 6-week program where we said every week you spend 2 to 3 hours, learn and do. Guess what? People drop off in the middle because life happens. And then we said, you know what? There has to be a better way. And the better way turned out to be an experiment which we ran as a 2-day mastermind. It worked like a charm. People blocked their calendars for full 2 days. Okay. And it was important and they did it. 90% of, in fact, 95% of the people finished the program. They started on day 1 until the end of day 2. They were there. 85% of those people finished the projects. It is absolutely crazy. And if you guys don't believe me, I'm going to open my Slack where all these people were there of the last one, and I'll show you the live messages there as well, right? But let's move on. So how does this mastermind work? I'll show you that very, very quickly in some time. So how does this mastermind work? You attend a 2-day live workshop, which happens on Zoom, event by the top 1% mentor. 16 total hours is what we need from you in 2 days. It's going to change your lives. I can say that for a fact. 2, the live workshop is designed in a way you learn and do. So please come with the mindset of doing. You'll participate in breakout sessions where you do group projects together with other folks inside of the session. We'll also do quizzes so that it's fun. And finally, you'll network with a bunch of like-minded people just like you to do a lot of cool stuff. This insane learn, apply, and network. By Sunday night, you'll be among the best when it comes to AI. Very important, we don't offer recordings. Before I even talk about the price and give you the opportunity to grab into the program, the reason why we don't offer recordings is because it's not possible. The breakout sessions and all of that, we give you detailed notes and stuff, but there are no recordings, so you make sure you show up live, right? And of course, for all the people who finish this, we give you a fancy little certificate of finishing the 2-day AI mastermind, which includes everything that you have done as well right there, so you can upload on LinkedIn and use it wherever you want. Before I talk about the pricing of the program, I want to make a few things very clear. This program is not for you if you're not comfortable using computers or internet. 2, if you don't believe in the AI revolution. 3, if you can't fully commit 2 days or a weekend to level up. If you can't even take out 2 days, then please don't take the program. It's important we do this so that you guys can get outcomes. 4, if you prefer to sit back, you're like, I'm just going to learn, I'm not going to take action. Not for you. If you're not ready to push yourself beyond your comfort zone, the world is changing, my friends. And for you guys to level up, you have to step up and get out of your comfort zone. And if you're not one of those, don't take the program, right? And you're okay with people moving on, right? That's where it is. Let's get to the pricing very quickly. The interesting thing is this program started as a B2B offering of Growth School. We have done this for brands like Uber, Domino's, Shell, whatnot, right? We usually charge about $100,000 for up to 50 employees to do this program online for 16 hours. This program, we only used to do this for corporates. But we have recently launched this for regular people as well. And we have a special price for everyone who is in the workshop today. Guys, the special price for people who have joined the workshop today is $895. You pay $895, you get access to this 2-day mastermind, which is going to change the trajectory of how you go around artificial intelligence. With that being said, we have something absolutely crazy for the first 10 users who enroll. We wanted to make it no-brainer so that even people who can't afford it, maybe we are able to bring them in. But we do that for the first 10 people. If we do that for everyone, we'll have to go bankrupt, right? So the first 10 people who enroll today will get the 2-day mastermind for only $195 all inclusive. My team will share the payment link in the chat, right? It's going to be fastest fingers first, right? Tap on the payment link. Your thing should open up right here. Enter your details, enter your card details, and we have a nice little offer here as well. And you can grab into the program right inside. After the first 10 people are over, the price is gonna go up like I promised. The first 10 users, you guys get it for $395. After the first 10 users are done, and my team will let you guys know once it is done, the link will stop working as well, so you don't have to worry. Users, after the first 10, rest of you people can enroll for $895, which is the actual price. And once the workshop is over, if you want to still grab it, you have to pay the full price of $1,495. But you know what? Like, I know that there are people from all over the world, and I wanted to make it, my team wanted to make it as accessible as possible, because of which we are like, screw it. For the first 10 people, let's make it absolutely no-brainer, right? And that's what we tried to do. So grab on in, guys, if you think this is something that is exciting. The link is in the chat. You can join the program by just paying the amount there. Like I said, the first 10 seats are for $195. After that, it goes to $895. The link is in the chat. Awesome. So when is it happening? The dates are you guys can see it's on the screen. And the timing also is clearly mentioned on the screen. So check it out. Make sure you block out your calendar. You have enough time before the session happens. So keep your calendars free. 2 days, guys, 2 days. Dedicated. Trust me, you are not going to regret it. With that being said, if you can't make it on these dates, you can still continue to pay for this, because we do this iteration once every month. Okay. So if you have for some reason not able to join this on these dates, you can reach out to my team once you make the payment, and my team will enroll you on the next one, which happens like the next month of this, right? But we have been increasing the pricing, right? Obviously, because there's been a lot of demand and appeal for this. So grab on in if you think this is something that can actually help you, right? If you're still not sure if this is the right thing for you, but you're still thinking, like, is this going to be fun? Is this going to be worth it? Should I invest my hard-earned money into this program? It's $195. I could have gone out with my friends or wife or husband out for a nice little dinner for that money, and I also have to take out 2 days out. Let me show you something. Here are some of the community love that we keep getting. Alex says this is one of the top-notch program. You guys are pro, and all the big as well as small things you guys did made it a great experience for us. Beyond expectations. Kudos, amazing. Pamela says this was so worth everything. I had to put into it. You guys are awesome. Congrats, Growth School and team. This is next level on how to educate, how education system should be on any topic, right? In fact, there was Jen who was like, Growth School's AI course is better than the course that is provided by provided by MIT. And I'm just not making it up. Like I said, I'm going to show you a lot of things today. Here's a video of Jen herself talking about it.
To be here with you all. I am an English professor of 16 years. I also am a founder and CEO of a nonprofit in California called Employ California. And I am simultaneously taking an MIT course called AI and its implications in business strategy. And this course is better than that course. This course has been better than the MIT course. That MIT course has really old information. A number of the videos are from 2017, 2018, and they're not updated. It doesn't have community like we have here. There's a number of issues that I found with that one, and I was thinking, oh, I wish growth school was like, I wish MIT was like growth school, you know. So keep up the good work. You guys are doing an amazing job. I'm excited to talk more to you about how I can contribute.
There you go. That was Jen, right? And the community love keeps coming, right? This was Saurabh. I'm beyond grateful for the transformative 2-day AI Mastermind workshop. The knowledge and insights shared were truly blown my mind, from LLMs to custom GPT, AI automation, and much more. I've come out of this experience with a deep understanding and immense excitement for the future of AI. This was Nicole thanking us about everything that this program has helped her with. Guys, this goes on, right? Pramoda says this is one of the best online coaching session I had in my career. Lot of value added. Thanks, Growth School team. This was Pillar, who basically said that I stayed awake at night for 9 hours to attend this. She was, I think, in Spain or somewhere when she did this, and you all have over delivered. Let me show you this video. This happened like a few weeks back. We have.
My name is Pilar. I'm actually from Spain, but I live in the US. It's been an outstanding experience. You have done an amazing job. You should be proud. You totally over-delivered. I'm talking over-delivered by American standards, which are really high. So not even European or like Indian, but I mean really, really high. So thank you. I'm so excited. And please, anyone, just connect with me on LinkedIn. Thank you. I'm actually, the time that I met, it was 1:30 in the morning until 9:30 in the morning. So I stayed 2 nights up for you guys.
Incredible.
Thank you.
Incredible. All right. So that was Pillar. I think there are countless number of stories like this, right? So yeah, guys, wow. Okay. My team has been saying that 8 people have already in. Guys, there are 2 more seats. Join in if you guys want to. After that, the price kind of gets reset to I didn't realize it will go so fast. But let me quickly finish this. For the first 10 people who are joining this program at a special price, like I mentioned, all of you guys get 5 insane mega bonuses as you join this program as well, right? You will get access to a course called as Speak to Influence. It's done by Raj. This dude has 5 million followers across the internet and is a phenomenal speaker. And in the world of AI that we're living in, I think one of the unfair advantages that you can have today is the ability to talk and influence. And that is what this online course is about. We usually sell this about $500. You guys get this for free when you become in the first 10 set of people. Next is the Webflow Mastery for all the people who want to build websites, right? Next is the Growth Hacking Mastery. Guys, my team must be sharing names of people who have already joined in. This is to make sure that you guys also know that we have got your payments, right? So welcome all of you guys who have joined in already. Growth Hacking Mastery, I believe, is a mindset. Growth hacking is a mindset that everybody should possess, which changes the game for you guys. And it's a course that I have built personally, and you guys will all get access to this as well. You get access to a course on Microsoft Excel as well, which you guys can learn as a bonus, something that we sell for $500. For all those people who want to build your credibility on Twitter, you guys get a course which will help you to grow on X or Twitter as well. Sell for $495. We're giving you this as a pure bonus for the first 10 people coming in. And for all those people who want to freelance or get started with the journey of freelancing, we have something very cool for all of you people as well. You guys get this $495 course for free when you join in. So like I said, the first 10 people who enroll today will get all the mega bonuses worth almost $3,000 for free. All right. Guys, the Growth School AI Mastermind, the 2-day one, has been life-changing experience for so many people, right? And I can keep continue to play these videos of people with varied experiences talking about their experience, right? This is Viraj.
I'm impressed. Thank you so much to the Growth School team. I am impressed. I'm joining from Toronto, Canada.
Okay.
And in the kickoff, I was just wondering, starting at 1:30 through 9 o'clock in the morning, will I need, how much coffee I would need, how much snack I would need? But I'm telling you, I spent this time without any coffee, I had this natural boost to keep kind of absorbing. It was such an amazing experience. Thank you so much. By profession, I'm a consultant. I do process improvement, automation. I got so much ideas, and some of the struggles that businesses have here, banks, telecommunications, is we know about all these automation, all these fancy stuff, but how do we start doing it? Where do we start? We know.
So guys, there are so many stories like this, right, that goes on and on and on. Here is more, right? Like everybody dropping in messages saying big thank you, this, that. It goes on, right? I cannot continue to do this. One crazy thing. Yes.
Really sorry to interrupt you. I was just checking in the back end and I see all the 10 seats are already sold out.
all the first few set of people, welcome. Now my team will quickly share a payment link for $8.95. The first 10 seats are gone. Come on in and you can grab it right now for $8.95.
Wow, I'm actually getting some messages as well that few of the people are trying to make the payment, but they're facing some payment failure issues. Card is not working. They are really keen. Can we please help them out?
Okay. Let me quickly launch a poll. If there are enough people asking me for it, maybe I can extend it for 10 more minutes. And then we have to go back to $8.95 anyways. This is not going to be sustainable. Okay, guys, I've just pushed the poll. Guys, I can't extend. Someone is writing me a message saying, hey, can you please extend this by some more time? Can we do it tomorrow? You can absolutely grab it tomorrow as well, but sadly, I can't offer this pricing. Okay, and a lot of people have a lot of questions as well. Folks, do one thing, whatever questions you have, right? Drop them in the chat so that my team and I can kind of start addressing this question. All right. Oh, this is crazy. All right. Looks like a lot of people want to still come in. Okay, Uttam, can you expand this for like maybe 15 more minutes at 195?
Yeah.
Right. Just extend it for 15 more. I thought I'll be done as well. It took longer. 15 more minutes for 195. In fact, you know what? I'm gonna just put a 15-minute timer here. And once the 15 minutes is done, we have to push back to our price. And I'll also do my best to kind of finish it. I saw about 20, I think about 40 odd people want it. This is gonna cost. Okay. All right, guys. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them in the chat. My team and I will take up. Team, whenever you're getting a question, send that to me on Slack so that I can pick that up. Few questions are coming to me. I'm sure a few questions are going towards you guys as well. All right, guys. So you've got 15 minutes for yourself. Grab it if you want to, and then we can expand the price to $8.95. But I'm sure most of you people can afford that price as well. But we are doing something mind-blowing right now. So come on in if you want to. So the crazy part, as I go on, right? The Growth School Generative AI students have ended up getting featured on Forbes as well, which is absolutely mind-blowing. You can see this dude was actually on the cover of Forbes, and he basically quoted, these courses offered by Growth School are highly experiential, allowing us to learn by doing. As a lean team, we often face skill gaps and lack of necessary expertise. We have engaged in multiple courses that suited our needs, says Singh from Super Bolter. He runs this very cool Canva for interior design kind of a startup, and he got featured on Forbes as well. So guys, crazy. I thought 10 seats, but that's why we designed this. I thought the seats will still be there, but they're all gone, sadly. But we have just extended the 15-minute time. Grab it. It's a no-brainer, right? It's an absolute no-brainer. We have tried to make it as affordable as possible so that people from anywhere in the world can afford it and join in. You get access to the 2-day program. And of course, you guys get access to a bunch of mega bonuses. Like I told you, all those courses you guys will get access to. You see, I don't want you guys to make the same mistake that I did. I want you guys to save time. I want you guys to save money. I want you guys to get everything that I had wished a year back when I started my journey of AI to have. If I had a 2-day program like this a year back, I would have been leaps and bounds ahead today. I've spent hours and hours of my time to make sure this happens. So come on in. It can help you to grow your income and business by easily 10x if you learn how to leverage the power of AI. It can help you to grow faster in your career and get a promotion if you want to. And most importantly, like it'll unlock time for you guys so that you can do things that you like. And that's essentially why we teach automation as well. Right? So you always have two choices. Do nothing, stay where you are. And I don't want to say this out loudly, but become in a way irrelevant very, very soon. Or take the option of to stay ahead in the world of AI by leveraging and learning how to do AI. By the way, for you to select the option to, you don't have to take the program only. Of course, you can learn things all by yourself as well, right? But the program basically helps you to get a head start and learn things that might take you 4 or 5 months to do it yourself. You can do that, learn that in a couple of days. But yes, you will have to give your 2 days of your time for us. Guys, I've been speaking for almost 2 hours right now. I'm going to take a quick 5-minute break. And once I come back, I will start taking your questions. So if you guys have any questions that you want to ask, drop them in the chat. I'm going to take a quick 5-minute break, right? I'm going to play some music as well as we take the 5-minute break, right? And meanwhile, think about if this, by the way, 11 minutes is left for the 395 price, but I'll come back in 5 minutes. Then I will start taking your questions. And also, I promise that I'm going to teach you 5 more AI hacks towards the end. I'm going to do that as well. Any question that you want, drop them in the chat. I will start taking them once I come back. Meanwhile, enjoy the music. And if you want to make up your mind, if you want to take the program or not, it is completely up to you. This is your time. All right. So let's play some AI music again, and I'll be right back.
First step on set, get brand new role, playing parts, but finding my own soul. On the screen, a girl with dreams becomes the queen, chasing light through every scene. My future's bright. In every take I feel alive. Through the lens my passions thrive. Here I am, ready to shine. In this moment it's all mine. I'm a star on the screen, I'm raising the bar, shining high. Under the spotlight I reach the sky in my heart. Every moment plays a part all the time. In this new life I truly shine. Oh, in the lights I find my way. In this film I choose to stay. I'm a star. I'm a star. I'm a star. I'm a star. Here I am, ready to shine. Shine, shine, shine. In this moment, it's all mine. Lights are bright, I hear the call. Every moment, I'm giving my all. Face the fear, with every challenge I persevere. Through the climb, I find my voice and take my time. Feel the thrill with every scene. I'm climbing the hill. On, in every frame.
folks, we just kind of push the poll in the. I would love for you guys to answer that poll. That also gives us a perspective on if we are doing things right, not doing things right, how are we going about it, and things like that. It will take you like a second to click a button on whatever you think, but it will really help us to get a better understanding of what we are doing. We work really hard. You guys can see that, I'm sure. And with that being said, we're gonna just get started with the questions. I see like a bunch of questions that have come in. My team has collated and has given it to me. Holy. Okay, so there's just too many questions, guys. So what I'm gonna do is go to ChatGPT. Okay, I'm gonna ask you to summarize all the questions for me. Summarize the questions. Okay, I've entered all the questions that you guys have given. Okay, let me address one question at a time as you guys have sent your questions my way. Just give me a second. I want to get this right. Okay, looks like a few of you people are facing technical issues as well. My team has shared an email. You can reach out to the person there. I know there are some people have asked me questions about hallucination and things like that as well, and data privacy and all those stuff. Don't worry, I'm going to answer all of that. Okay, starting with, hey, session details. Where is the session conducted? Please provide dates and locations. Like I said, we have given you the details of when the session is happening and what time it's happening. So you guys can, and it's happening online. Of course, it's not happening in SF or it's happening online on Zoom. So just like you attended this session, you guys are going to attend that session as well. So that is the high level understanding that you guys need to know. Give me a second. Okay. All right. Give me a second, guys. I'm just grabbing on the slide so that I don't tell you guys a wrong date or time. Right? Okay, there you go. Sorry about that. There you go, guys. Your dates and times are right here in the session. But again, like I said, very important point is just in case, if you guys are not able to join in, right? If you guys are not able to join in, you can join the next one that happens as well. So that is not a problem. All right. So you can join the next one as well. It will not be a problem. All right. Awesome. Moving on to the next set of questions. There you go. I got like literally ChatGPT to summarize all the questions. Right. Cool. Coming back in. Payment confirmation. Was I part of the first 10 slots? Yes. Anyone who has joined in for the next 3 minutes as well will get that special prize and all the mega bonuses as well. If you guys have paid, my team should have taken your name in the chat. Just in case my team has not taken your name, but your payment has gone through, don't worry about it. You can write to team, can you drop your email ID in the chat so that folks can write to that email? And also my team will get in touch with you guys in the next 24 hours to confirm your payment receipt. Don't worry about it. Okay. Are there any best laptops for AI? I don't think so. AI runs on cloud, so it's not a problem. I am very interested, but I can't afford the course. Can I get a discount or join later? So here's the thing. We have tried to make it as financially viable as possible, right? And a lot of people, you can see the price. You guys are getting this special 195 right now, right? There is nothing, guys, we will be spending almost 16 hours together. There will be 5+ different mentors coming from the best of the companies to come and teach you guys. We only work with the best. That's essentially why you guys could see such phenomenal testimonials and whatnot. So sadly, we can't do much. Payment issues. I'm having trouble processing my payment due to bank or phone issues. Can I still reserve a seat? Yes, you can. If you're still facing issue, you can drop a chat. My team has shared their email ID. Please reach out to them. Is there a student discount? Sadly, we don't have a student discount right now. But listen, here's the thing, for all the people who can't afford it, there is nothing that we're going to talk about which is not out there somewhere on the internet. Everybody learns from the internet. When you make a payment, what happens is we condense the information, we do the research for you, something that could take you 4 months, 5 months, 6 months to learn. You learn all of that over the course of next 48 hours or in the 2 days. If you can't afford it, strongly recommend you guys to spend time researching and figuring it out yourself. You guys can learn everything without paying a dime as well, right? Okay. Can I attend a different session if I can't make it to the current one? Yes, you will get one option to select a different date, and you can choose the next date as well. That happens the next month. If I change my mind, or if I don't like, can I get a refund, guys? We have tried to make frankly, if someone would have paid $895 for the program, it's a different story altogether. For people who are still in here, we have tried to make it very, very affordable. We don't want to get into a position where, we give out everything for free. So sadly, if you guys are not sure, don't take the program. Okay. When will we get the certificate? Will we get the certificate? Yes, you will get the certificate. Oh, damn. I'm so sorry. I completely forgot sharing the prompts with you guys. Let me quickly do that right away. My bad, guys. That was I completely missed it. So here is a link to all the prompts and tools that we kind of covered today. Right? Just tap on that link. For some reason, it says suspicious link. It is not. It's a Notion URL. This is the document you guys will get access to. One second. I'm quickly sharing the screen. Okay. Guys, I'm in a multi-screen setup, so sorry if I look like an idiot when I'm looking on multiple sides. There's a screen here, there's a screen here, and there's a screen here. And my camera is here. Right? So if I'm looking like an idiot looking at on every corner. Okay, so this is the document that I've just shared. You have links to all the tools right here, and also all the prompts that I covered, and also a few things that I've not covered yet, which is going to come up going forward. So I've shared everything with you guys. Sorry, it was just, I completely forgot about it. And nobody really dropped a comment either on that, right? So there you go. And don't worry, we are also going to drop an email with all the links with you for you people. So you will get an email with links to everything, so you guys don't have to worry, right? Yeah, I think that's pretty much it on everything, right? There are a few questions around, will I be able to understand the program, right? So here is my answer to it, right? If you're able to understand everything that happened, guys, we are about 3 minutes away from this before we shut down the payment link. So go ahead and grab it if you guys want to, right? But with that being said, let's come back right inside. So I think it is very, very simple. If you guys follow everything that we say, you guys will be able to get it. I don't think it is rocket science. Like I said, we have people from all the industry, all the sort of things who have come in and joined. So absolutely don't worry about it. And guys, if you have any more questions, continue to drop them in the chat. My team will get back to you on the chat because there's so much more to cover. I would want to ideally cover that because I promised something to you people as well. So keep dropping them in the chat. My team will try to answer all the questions possible.